Electric screwdriver set, 68-in-1 precision power tool. The 68-in-1 electric screwdriver set is the ultimate toolkit for precision repairs, DIY projects, and delicate tasks. Designed for versatility, convenience, and power, this set is ideal for working on iPhones, glasses, watches, PCs, consoles, laptops, cameras, and more. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional repairer, this tool is a must-have for your collection. Key features: variable torque settings. Adjustable 5-gear torque settings allow you to tailor the power for any task, from high torque, 0.35 Nm, for robust projects to low torque, 0.25 Nm, for delicate components. The manual mode offers a torque of up to 3 Nm, ensuring flexibility for diverse repair needs. Screw magnetization for effortless work. The innovative screw magnetization device ensures a strong magnetic connection between screws and bits, allowing for seamless precision and efficiency. No more fumbling with tiny screws. Organized magnetic storage case. The set comes with a magnetic storage case that keeps all bits and tools securely in place. The pop-up mechanism provides easy access to your tools and adds an element of satisfaction to every use. Comprehensive versatility. With 64 precision bits covering 10 categories, this screwdriver kit has every bit you need, including Torx star, Phillips, flathead, and more. Tweezers and a pry bar are also included for added versatility. Each bit is crafted from durable S2 hardened steel for long-lasting performance. Long-lasting rechargeable battery. The built-in rechargeable battery provides enough power to tighten up to 400 screws on a single charge. An LED indicator keeps you informed of the power status, and the Type-C port ensures quick and convenient recharging. Applications: repairing smartphones, glasses, watches, and other delicate gadgets. Upgrading or maintaining laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, and cameras. Assembling or fixing small appliances. What's in the box? Electric screwdriver unit. 64 precision screwdriver bits. Magnetic screw organizer. Tweezers and pry bar. Magnetic storage case. Type-C charging cable. Why choose this set? The electric screwdriver set combines precision, durability, and ease of use, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact design, ergonomic grip, and efficient battery life ensure that you'll be ready to tackle any task with ease. Invest in precision, durability, and convenience today.